The content on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only. Please contact a professional when it comes to your financial needs. That panic feeling that you get when you realize you no longer have access to the phone you set up your two-factor authentication for on your exchange, and you can't log in despite knowing your password. I'm going to show you what you have to do to recover that. And trust me, it is not calling Gemini. You have to take care of that on yourself using this app. I'm going to talk to you and show you how to do that right here, right now on the Ujamaa Network. Let's get to it. Now, if you no longer have access to that old phone, there's only one recourse for you to do, and that is to download Authy, this app, onto your new device, sign in with the password that you know is legit, and then create another Authy account using the new phone number. There'll be a verification process with the email address, and then you'll go ahead, punch in your new code once you get a text back, log in, and that's that. What I was finding out was happening, I no longer had access to that phone. Even though I logged in using my username and password, knew it verified that it knows who I am with that password, but it also associated with the old phone number. There is no link to change that to the old phone number unless you have access to that old phone and number. If you do, there is a link, and I'm going to put that here right now, that'll let you go in, change the number by entering your old number and your new number. What I was doing, even though I knew the old phone number, but no longer have access to that phone, as the number itself was already issued to another customer. So whenever you're changing your phones and devices, make sure you port that over. Now, to eliminate all of that and to get around this problem of not having access to that phone, all you're going to do is download Authy to your new device. Once you do that, you get the authentication, you log in, and immediately set up two-factor authentication with like a third-party app, Google Authenticator or Duo, something like that. Don't play around. Then set up a PIN for your account. That's even better, so that whenever you log into a different device, you're not constantly tied to that one telephone again, and you're not locked out and you don't have that sinking feeling anymore. So remember, it's not Gemini that you're really going to be dealing with. You're going to be downloading the Authy app. And once you do that, set up, do your verification, and you should be in like Flynn. Let me know if this helps you at all. Drop a line. Let me know of any issue that you might have. Maybe I can do some research for you. We are now looking at applications, and we've got some approvals, one of them being from Gemini. Be sure to check out Gemini if you're going to make some trades anytime soon. We're going to now have to start noting on the videos that these are advertisements or potential partnerships. I think there's a check mark in some of the videos when you set them up. And yeah, the channel is moving along pretty well. If you want to talk about how you can build your own channel and get some sponsors, drop me a line. I'll show you what I did so far, and I'll let you know what mistakes I've made and maybe might be making right now, or the things that I didn't make a mistake on, and then that gets you further along in your goal of creating some revenue from not just crypto, but from your channel. Talk to you later.